Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. My name's Randy. I'm a respiratory therapist here in Massachusetts, and I want to go over a few things with you, maybe some feedback in reference to this LindseyJones program that you're looking at. You're watching the video, you probably have some vast interest in it, and maybe you're about to decide which program to buy, which is good, which is not good. And I am here to tell you 110% LindseyJones is by far the best you're going to find in the market. There's nothing better. Kettering is not better. These people have everything that you need to learn. The program is very good. It's very informative, and they give you what you need to have to pass this TMC exam. I just received this book a few days back. This is the brand new LindseyJones 2022 edition. This is their book. It is this thick. Not too thick if you think about it. How many classes or how many books do you have in college, right? I think my A&P book was twice as thick as this. And you go to school for 2 years or 4 years or whatever you went for. And when it comes down to is one silly NBRC test that you have to take, and all your information is in this one little book. Wish we could just do it with college and take this and jump to the point, but that's not how the reality works, right? But it's a very good book. It has the TMC and the clinical sims in here, so all the information that you need is in this one book. Don't buy separate books for them. You don't need to have separate books. A lot of programs make you buy separate things. They're a lot more money. Don't do it. One good thing with the LindseyJones provides as well is this laminated card, and on both sides it covers a lot of topics on here. Basically breaks the book down to one synopsis. Normal lab values, some more common ECG strips, EKG strips you're going to see on the exams, PFTs, some hemodynamics in there. But the way that it's explained in the book and in the audio, he makes it very easy to go through this stuff, guys. It's very, very well versed in what he does. The owner, Dennis Stanley, that's his voice you'll hear in the audio. He throws some humor in there. He catches your attention for sure. It's not like listening to hours and hours of boring audio. It goes in small increments, and then he moves on to the next subject. And you're gonna all get this in one big package deal. Another thing you're also gonna receive too are these flashcards. There's 3 stacks of them. One is associations and calculations. Pharmacology is the other one, and normal lab values. These cards are good material. They're not thin pieces of paper. They're in color. They're fairly thick. It also covers everything you need to know on the exam on these. Want to get a quick little look? These are great cards to utilize, guys. The program's great. One of my favorite things about LindseyJones, again, I'll touch back on the audio. Dennis Stanley does a phenomenal job with this audio, guys. He really does. He brings it home and he explains things extremely well. Does not leave you hanging, and it's very easy to follow him. You will have access to the audio immediately, which is another huge thing. A lot of programs, they make you wait. You got to wait for the book to come in. They get you codes, and you have to sign up for things and purchase extra tokens, and one price turns into 3 prices. So LindseyJones, one price. This is the book. This is the kit. You get the audio immediately once you hit purchase. You will receive an email and a username and password. You can log on, and with that log on, it will cover immediately all of your TMC practice tests, all your clinical sims practice tests. Has different modes on there as far as teaching mode, and he'll explain all that to you. It tells you what answer is good and why it's not the best answer, and explains things thoroughly. If you're about to challenge this TMC exam, you need a very good program to study for. And I don't know where you're at. Most people take this. They're about to graduate. They're so sick and fried of their brain is fried. They're tired of reading books, and they want to just graduate and take this exam and be done with it. So they buy a kit like this, and they use it, and they score very well on the test. You can use LindseyJones for that. If you're a brand new student and you're looking into this right now, I would say buy the program now. Maybe you have 2 more years left in college. So what? How good will you know the program in the book in 2 years? You'd know it fluently. You probably write the book, So start studying for it early if you could. I use LindseyJones for CEUs. It's a great program for CEUs. The CEUs they have online, 20-something credits, I believe. Also, too, every year and in multiple places throughout the whole country, LindseyJones puts on conferences. I try to make a conference every other year if I can do it. It gives me all of my CEUs here in Massachusetts with one conference. So your state will probably be similar. You can look into it. There's plenty of opportunities for you to take CEUs with this program as well. I wish you all the best of luck. I definitely recommend the LindseyJones program to anybody that wants to take this information and run with it to the NBRC and take this exam and be done with it. I highly recommend it, guys. And best of luck to you, and best of luck to everybody out there that wants to pursue respiratory therapy. This is a very good program, and you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.